Hi all, welcome to another video from TechNod. Today, we are going to discuss about the important lessons learnt from the book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, written by Robert Kiyosaki, which has changed my perspective towards life. Before we move forward, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. So, let's move on with our video for the day, 8 important lessons that you can learn from the book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, written by Robert Kiyosaki. Put your money to work. You cannot get rich with your money sitting in a savings account. Invest in appreciating assets. Amount of money retained matters. It's not the amount of money you make, it's the amount of money you keep that matters. Acquire assets. Rich people buy what makes them more money. Poor people lose money when they buy things just to show off. Build your own empire. You are not born to work for others all your life. This would be modern slavery. Most people know that but forget that they can get more in life. Gain financial knowledge. Learn about investing, markets, accounting, sales, and more. It will help you make overall better financial decisions. Winning means not being afraid of losing. Never be afraid to take calculated risks. Those who play it safe never make it big. Pay yourself first. Every month, first invest in your income-generating assets, and the rest of your expenses should be next to it. Dream big. You cannot earn millions just by dreaming of a small job. Plan and dream big ventures and play with heart. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and share. And for more videos and updates, please subscribe to our channel and support us. Wish you all a very good day. Hi all, welcome to another video from TechNod. Today, we are going to discuss